Hello, dear members. Welcome to you all. I am Ramakrishna Reddy Palagiri, admin of this group. And this video is my 11th video. And this video is about caprylic acid. This is also a saturated fatty acid and it contains 8 carbons. So it is also midchain fatty acid and it is a saturated fatty acid. In this video, I have given the physical properties of this fatty acid and its chemical structure and where it will available. So go to this video and as usual your comments, your suggestions, your advices are always most welcome. So don't forget to give your suggestions or comment on it or like it. Okay?
Acid
Thank you.
or octanoic acid presented by Ramakrishna Reddy Palagiri. Caprylic acid is a mid-chain saturated fatty acid. This fatty acid contains 8 carbons, and as the fatty acid smells like goat, the acid is named after goat. In Latin, capra means goat. This fatty acid is present in animal milk and milk fats, and in minor quantity in coconut oil and palm kernel oils also. In coconut oil, the fatty acid quantity is up to 7 to 9%, and in palm kernel oil, between 4 to 5% it is present. So this fatty acid is present in animal milk fats and in minor quantity in coconut oil and palm kernel oil. Here we can see the chemical formula, structure formula of the carboxylic acid. Here it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This below one is the 2D formula. It contains 8 carbons. So it is octanoic acid. 8 means octa means 8. Here in this 3D formula we can see this is the first carbon COH, carbon, oxygen, double bond, again single bond is OH. And here we can see the totally 8 carbons, that is why it is carbolic group acid. And in this last one is it is what is this one? It is the carbon of omega carbon. It have 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3. It is methyl group. This is called in the chain. In the between this last carbon and first carbon, this is the hydrocarbon chain. It have 2 hydrogen atoms. That is why it is a saturated fatty acid. There is no double bond at all. Each carbon can have 4 bonds. We can see there is no destruction in this one. So here this is bottom one is the 2D model. Here this one is the carbolic group. This one is methyl group. This is omega carbon. This is the alpha carbon. In between each carbon have 2 hydrogens, and it have the 4 bonds. The last one carboxyl group also we can this first carbon have 2 bonds with oxygen, a single bond is OH, and another bond is another carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last methyl group, 3 carbons, another bond is another carbon. Total 4 bonds. In between chain also you can see this carbon have 2 bonds with 2 hydrogens, another 2 bonds, single bonds with 2 other carbons. So like that, these saturated fatty acids don't have any double bond at all. And here in the chart, the physical properties of the carboxylic acid is given. In carboxylic acid, the properties are as shown below. The chemical formula is C8H16O2, and the molecular weight of this acid is 144.214 grams per mole, and the appearance of the fatty acid is colorless liquid, and density is 0.910, and melting point of this fatty acid is 16.70 centigrade. So at 16.7 degrees it melts, and boiling point of this acid is 239.7 degrees. So at 239.7 degrees it's boiled, it becomes vapor at atmospheric pressure, and refractive index is 1.4285, and the suffocation value of this fatty acid is equal to 384 to 391, and the titer value is 15 to 80 centigrade, and plus point of this fatty acid is 130 centigrade. Soluble in alcohol, ether, chloroform, petroleum ether, acetone nitrile, and carbon disulfide. These are the physical characters of the carboxylic acid. So this is the about a brief description of caprylic acid.